Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we discussed about the properties of probability of an event. So now in today's lecture, we will try to resolve some problems regarding probability of an event. So let's start the lecture regarding some real life problems for property and probability of an event. Now finding the probability of an event. Probability of an event. Okay. Finding the probability of an event. Example number 1. Two coins are tossed. For example, two coins are tossed. What is the probability? What is the probability that both land head? Okay. So now the question is that two coins are tossed. What is the probability that both land heads? Number 1. Example number 1, A and B. A card is drawn. A card is drawn from the standard deck of playing cards. Okay, a card is drawn from the standard deck of playing cards. What is the probability? What is the probability that it is an egg? So now we have two problems. In example 1, two coins are tossed. What is the probability that both land heads? Number 2 is in B, a card is drawn from the standard deck of playing cards. What is the probability that it is an egg? So far, problem number 1 concerns solution for problem number A. Two coins are tossed. What is the probability that both land heads? So we are tossing two coins together. We are tossing two coins together and finding the probability that when the two coins land, that it will be the head. Both land heads. So as we know that the sample space of two coins is head. It means head. When we are tossing two coins together, when they land, they will appear both head and head. Okay. So it is possible that both land head. One is head and other one is tail. So it is possibility that when they land, first coin is tail and second coin will appear head. So again, there is a possibility that when both coins land, the both coins appears with one tail and other one with tail. So these are the four possibilities when two coins are tossed. Either it will be the both heads, either it will be the head and tail, either it will be the tail and head, either it will be the tail and tail for both coins when they land. Okay. So this is a simple space. It means 100% observations of both coins tossed is 4. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail 4 times. Okay. So 4 outcomes may occur. 4 outcomes, 4 types of the outcomes may occur. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 outcomes may occur when we are tossing a coin, 2 coins. So now the requirement is that what is the probability that both land heads? So when we are tossing both coins, we have to find out the probability of both land head. So the probability of both land heads is 1. In this sample space, only one outcome is here, which is both heads. Otherwise, one is a head tail, one is a tail head, and one is a tail tail. So let A be the event. Let A be the event which contains both land heads. Let A be the event which contains both heads, which contains both coins heads. Okay, so A is equal to both heads. Why? Because sample space contains one outcome of both heads. So A contains both heads. Why? 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability that both land heads? So the probability of getting both land heads is one outcome only. So A is equal to head and head at one time. Thus the probability of getting two heads is, as per the formula of probability of an event, probability of A is equal to number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. So favorable cases, it means number of element in A divided by number of element in sample space S. So as we know that number of element in A is one outcome of head and head. A contains only one outcome of head and head, both heads. So 1 divided by out of sample spaces 1, 2, 3, 4 from the 4 outcomes. So probability of getting A is number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. So 1 divided by 4, 1 is a favorable outcome and 4 is a possible outcome. Possible outcome contains by the sample space, whereas favorable outcome contains by the event which created from the sample space. Okay. So it means 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25, which is equal to 0.25 or 25%. So there is a 25% chance of getting two heads when we are tossing both coins. So what we obtained? We obtained that there is 25% chance of getting two heads when we are tossing the two coins. Okay, hope you understand the solution of the problem A. Now the solution of problem B. So now for resolving the B, a card is drawn from the standard deck of playing cards. What is the probability that it is an egg? So now we will try to resolve the B portion. The B portion. As we know that since there are 52 cards in standard deck of playing cards. Okay, since there are 52 cards in standard deck of playing cards, and there are 4 eggs, which means one in each suit, which means one in each suit. So the probability of drawing egg is, as we know that there are 52 cards in standard deck of playing cards, and there are 4 eggs, each in every suit from different colors. So the probability of drawing egg is, as per general formula of probability of an event A is equal to probability of A is equal to number of element in A divided by number of element in S. So here number of element in A, it means 4 divided by 52. As we know that a standard deck of playing card contains 52 cards. Hence there are 4 eggs in this 52 cards. In these 52 cards there are entirely 4 eggs, one in each suit. So 4 divided by 52. So number of favorable cases are 4. Total eggs in standard deck of 52 playing cards are 4. So the number of favorable cases are 4, and number of possible cases, it means the sample space of standard deck is 52. So why? Because standard deck contains only and only 52 cards. So 4 divided by 52 is equal to 1 divided by 13 is equal to 1 divided by 13, which means every 13 card in each suit contain 1 egg. Every 13 card in each suit contains 1 egg. So 1 divided by 13 is a okay. So the probability of getting an egg is 1 divided by 13. Why? It means 13 card contains by the suit. So every suit contains 13 cards. So every 13 card contains 1 egg. So the probability of getting an egg. So the probability, what is the probability getting an egg? So the probability of getting an egg. So the probability getting an egg is 1 divided by 13 is 1 divided by 13, which means every 13 cards in the standard deck of playing cards contain 1 egg. So entire standard deck of 52 cards contains 4 eggs. So The probability of getting an egg is 1 divided by 13. So these are the two scenarios, A and B. We try to resolve these scenarios regarding the probability of an event, how to get an event. So hope you can understand the topic. Thank you very much.